Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Fantom, whose current price stands at the $0.411 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 10.36%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliott waves and the Fibonacci's, and also show you the key patterns that we have information on this chart. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. From the all-time high, Fantom has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.19 mark, and having done so, I believe Fantom has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction. And here on the daily chart, we had been trading within this channel, which is right here. We managed to break out of that channel to the upper side, and from that point we also managed to break above a key area of resistance, and we have continued pushing to the upper side, and today we are seeing a very nice pump to the upper side. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart I also had this pattern, which is a double top. This is a pattern that normally breaks to the lower side, having the target area of that breakout as the height between the tops and the neckline, but we didn't manage to break out of that chart pattern, and that chart pattern was giving us a breakout target area to around the $0.23 mark. And as we were trying to have that breakout to the lower side, we managed to find support at around the $0.28 mark. That key area of support gave us support, and we saw a very nice pump to the upper side. And in that movement we have been trading within a channel, and also within this channel you can see that from the moment we managed to break above that key area of resistance, we also had a retest of that key area of resistance, and from there we started seeing a very nice bounce to the upper side. And today we have also managed to break above a key area of resistance, and that brings me to the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on this chart. And in that movement to the upper side, in that bullish candlestick that we have over here, you can see we have managed to break above a key area of resistance and also out of a channel that we had been trading within. So that brings me to the key movements that are possible to play out here on the charts. It's possible that we might continue pushing higher, and in that movement we might get to around the $0.42 mark, which is a key area of resistance. If we manage to break above that key area of resistance here on the 4-hour chart and also on the hourly chart, I will expect a retest of that key area of resistance. Then once that happens and the retest is a success, then higher prices could be coming our way and maybe take us to around the $0.5 mark. So it's possible that we might see a very nice pump to the upper side and take us to around the $0.5 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. It's also possible that as we try to break above this key area of resistance, we might get rejected at that key area of resistance, and once we see a rejection at that point, then the next thing that might follow is a pullback to the lower side, and that could take us to around the $0.38 mark, which is a key area of support. We can either from that point find a reversal to the upper side, and on the worst case scenario lose that key area of support and continue unlocking even lower prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and let's be prepared for both scenarios. If I also take a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we have a bit of room for us to continue pushing higher, and in that movement I will expect us to break above that key area of resistance and maybe even have a retest of that area before we get into the overbought region. Also here on the MACD, we have printed a bullish cross, and that would mean higher prices could be coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.